Join a match and activate unit or proximity chat. If nobody hears you, check these 3 settings. Try activating your radio control and watch for the transmission indicator in the bottom left. If no indicator appears, open settings, go to your key bindings, and check what key you have mapped for unit radio. If you go to your controls, toggle radio channels. On means press once to talk and again to stop. Off means you have to hold the button. Try another mic check. If the indicator appears but nobody can hear you, open settings and go to your audio. Scroll down to voice chat input and make sure it's set to the correct microphone. Try another mic check. If you're still having issues, right click the start menu, open settings. On the left, select privacy and security. Scroll down to microphone, turn on microphone access, and let apps access your microphone. Relaunch the game and test your mic. If you're getting robotic sounds in proximity chat, the developers confirmed it's a current EOS voice chat issue that local settings cannot fix. If this helped, consider subscribing and liking the video.